Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing my story of how a dream turned into reality, the journey of building my dream house in Jamaica. It's a story that started back in 1999, when I first fell in love with the island. Let's go back to where it all began. Building my dream home in Jamaica wasn't easy, especially while living in Florida and only flying back once or twice a year. Each trip, I'd spend about 2 weeks trying to get as much done as possible before leaving. It was nerve-wracking at times, having to make split-second decisions. One example was when I was digging out the foundation. I had a choice to fill a space or make use of it. I decided to dig it out, which gave me an extra rental unit, a one-bedroom, one-bathroom space with a living area, kitchen, washroom, and veranda, plus a 20-foot wide by 11-foot deep water tank that wasn't on the original blueprint. It was a big investment, but now I have extra income and a reliable water supply for the house. Since building the tank, I've only had to buy water twice, once when it was first built, and another time when I thought I was running out.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
When the blocks started going up, the structure took shape quickly, and I was eager to see more progress. It took 5 trips to get the house to this stage, with all the blocks up and the Belton finished. Now, the only thing left is the roof. So I flew back to Florida once again to work and save up for that final phase. But just when I thought I was getting closer to completing my dream home, my life took a drastic turn. My marriage fell apart, and we ended up getting a divorce. Looking back, I'm relieved I didn't accept a piece of land in Brownstown that my father-in-law offered us. If I had, I'd probably be dealing with legal issues now. And my dream home could have easily turned into a nightmare. Let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in seeing more like this. Your feedback will help me decide whether to continue this series. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate every one of you who's been following along on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one.